Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best brow tattoo is probably one of the most transformative beauty treatments available today, offering a semi-permanent solution to sparse, over-plucked, or uneven eyebrows that can dramatically enhance your facial features and save you precious time on daily makeup application. Imagine waking up with perfectly shaped and filled brows every single day, eliminating the need for pencils, powders, or gels, and feeling confident and polished from the moment you get out of bed, which is why so many individuals are exploring this innovative cosmetic procedure to achieve their dream brows with lasting results. Number 5. Maybelline TattooStudio Brow Pomade. Achieve perfectly defined brows that last all day. This brow pomade offers a natural look with buildable coverage. Enjoy smudge-proof and fade-resistant brows from morning to night. Its long-lasting formula ensures your look stays flawless. Customize your brow intensity with ease. Build from a subtle enhancement to a bold statement with this versatile product. This rich, deep brown shade is perfect for adding depth and dimension to your eyebrows. It complements a variety of hair colors. The creamy texture glides on smoothly for effortless application. Get salon-quality brows in minutes right at home. Discover your new favorite eyebrow essential. It's the perfect tool for creating beautifully sculpted and defined brows every time. What we like. This product offers incredible longevity and a customizable finish. Its smudge-proof nature ensures your brows stay put all day. If you have oily skin or a busy lifestyle and need your brows to last without touch-ups, this is the one for you. What people say. The formula is smooth, super pigmented, and most importantly, completely waterproof. I don't have to worry about it smudging or rubbing off halfway through the day. It comes with a dual-ended brush that makes application easy and precise. The angled brush gives great control for shaping, and the spoolie blends everything out for a natural finish. The pomade has a smooth, creamy texture that glides effortlessly onto the skin and hair. It's easy to blend and build, allowing for both natural and dramatic brow styles. Number 4. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow and Eyeliner Makeup Kit. Achieve flawless brows with our all-in-one makeup kit. It includes everything you need for perfectly shaped and defined eyebrows. Don't worry about smudging or fading. This kit is designed to be waterproof and long-lasting, keeping your look intact all day. From stamping to filling and blending, get the perfect brow shape effortlessly. It's your go-to solution for beautiful brows. Enhance your eyes with the included eyeliner and dual-ended brush. Create stunning looks with ease and precision. This kit comes in a versatile dark brown shade, perfect for complementing a wide range of hair colors and skin tones. Discover the convenience and quality of this makeup kit. It's an essential addition to your beauty routine for polished results. What we like. Get everything you need for perfect brows in one convenient package. The waterproof quality means no smudging, even in humid conditions. If you're a beginner or someone who loves having all their brow essentials together, this comprehensive kit is an excellent choice. What people say. It lasts all day without needing to retouch, at least in my experience. You only need the tiniest amount, it dries quickly, and it stays in place all day. It definitely sticks well to the skin. This stuff is amazing and it's really smudge-free. We'll be buying again. This eyebrow pomade is fantastic. You need the tiniest amount, it dries quickly and lasts all day and even until the next morning. Even if your eyebrows are sparse, this will stick to your skin. Number 3. Music Flower Eyebrow Pencil, Chestnut. Discover the ultimate tool for perfectly defined brows. This innovative pencil offers a natural, long-lasting finish. Don't worry about smudging or fading throughout the day. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay flawless in any condition. Achieve a microblading effect with ease. The unique microfork tip allows for precise, hair-like strokes for a natural look. Enjoy beautiful brows that last. This pen is designed for extended wear, keeping your look fresh from morning to night. Create the appearance of fuller, more defined brows effortlessly. It mimics natural hair for a realistic and polished finish. This shade, Chestnut, is perfect for adding depth and dimension to your eyebrows. Achieve a beautiful, natural enhancement. What we like. Achieve incredibly natural-looking brows with its innovative microfork applicator. It mimics real hair strokes for a realistic effect. If you desire a subtle, microbladed look without the commitment or have sparse brows you want to fill in realistically, this pen is ideal. What people say. The product goes on smoothly and looks so good for the areas that need filling in. It's super lightweight and incredibly easy to use. And it lasts all day. Works perfectly and stays put. Took a little work to rub off. I love the microfork tip. It covers a stray gray brow hair or two and forces them to behave. Since I have started using it, my eyebrows look better than they have in years. Number 2. LAVONE Eyebrow Pencil Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE Eyebrow Pencil Makeup Kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect brows. Achieve natural-looking eyebrows with ease. This waterproof formula ensures your brows stay flawless all day long. No smudging, no fading, just beautiful brows from morning to night. Experience the versatility of our 2-in-1 design, combining a microblading pen and pomade. Effortlessly create precise strokes or fill in sparse areas for a fuller look. Achieve a polished finish with the included dual-ended brush. It's perfect for blending and shaping your brows to perfection. Get the natural eyebrow look you desire with this rich dark brown shade. It complements a variety of skin tones for a beautifully defined appearance. What we like. This offers 2 brow-defining tools in one for ultimate convenience. It's designed to create beautifully natural-looking eyebrows that last. If you appreciate the flexibility of having both a pen and pomade for different effects or quick touch-ups, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The kit has everything needed to keep eyebrows from fading, with a pomade of the right consistency and generous amount. The dual brush works great, with a fine brush for detail and a spoolie for combing and setting. The kit also has a dual-use pen with a fine brush and a microblading brush for shaping without looking fake. The eyeliner pen creates a very fine line without smearing. This product gives the appearance of microblading, is super easy to use, and allows for customizable fullness and shapeliness. The pomade offers more coverage and can darken brows. The eyeliner pencils included were a bonus, and the color was a dark black. The duo together lasted pretty long through a hot day without much smudging, especially with setting spray or powder. The brush was the perfect size to avoid overfilling brows. Number 1. Waterproof 2-in-1 Eyebrow Pen and Pencil, Dark Brown. Achieve perfectly defined brows with our innovative 2-in-1 tool. It combines a precise pen and a natural-looking pencil for ultimate versatility. Don't worry about smudging or fading. This formula is completely waterproof, ensuring your brows stay flawless all day long, no matter the conditions. The unique 4-tip applicator mimics natural brow hairs, allowing for incredibly precise application. Get a natural, fuller look with ease. Blend and groom your brows to perfection with the included dual-ended brush. It helps to soften lines and ensure a seamless finish. Whether you need subtle enhancement or bold definition, this is your all-in-one solution. It's the perfect addition to your makeup collection for effortless beauty. This rich dark brown shade is ideal for achieving natural-looking eyebrows. It complements a variety of hair colors for a beautiful, balanced look. What we like. Experience precision like never before with its ultra-fine pencil and unique 4-tip applicator. It's engineered for creating perfectly defined yet natural brows. If you have very specific shaping needs or want to achieve a detailed, hair-like effect, this tool offers superior control. What people say. The product is easy to use and provides a natural-looking finish. It lasts for a long time without smudging or fading. The fine tip applicator allows for precise application, creating hair-like strokes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.